Imagine holding a mustard seed in your palm. It's tiny, almost invisible, yet it holds within it the potential for something magnificent. That's the essence of the parable of the mustard seed. It's a story about the power of small beginnings, the incredible growth that can spring from the tiniest seed of faith, hope, or love. Think about the things you care about most deeply, the changes you want to see in the world, the dreams you hold close to your heart. Do these sometimes feel too big, too daunting? The mustard seed reminds us that even the most ambitious goals start with a single step, a single act of kindness, a single seed of intention. Don't let the enormity of the task discourage you. Embrace the small beginnings, the quiet moments of inspiration, the gentle nudges of your conscience. These are the seeds of greatness. The kingdom of God, Jesus tells us, is like the mustard seed. It doesn't always arrive with fanfare and trumpets. More often than not, it begins quietly, subtly, almost unnoticed. A small act of compassion, a word of encouragement, a gesture of forgiveness. These are the seeds of the kingdom taking root in our hearts and in the world around us. And just as the mustard seed grows into a large plant, providing shelter for birds, so too can our small acts of faith and love blossom into something extraordinary. They can create ripples of change, touching lives in ways we may never fully realize. They can offer comfort and hope to those who need it most. They can be a beacon of light in a world that sometimes feels dark and overwhelming. So, plant your seeds with courage and conviction. Nurture them with patience and perseverance. Believe in the power of small beginning. Trust in the transformative potential that lies within you. And watch with wonder and amazement as your mustard seed of a dream grows into something beautiful, something powerful, something truly inspiring, a statement to the boundless potential that resides within each and every one of us.